Yo, what's up guys? This is the WHADAFUNK Stories vlog, and on this episode, I'm gonna hand paint a WHADAFUNK logo banner. So I had this canvas hanging around the studio, a nice big large piece of canvas material, and I was like, what should I do with it? So I'm like, alright, why don't I hand paint a WHADAFUNK banner, DIY style, so we could bring it to events, stuff like that, and just have an extra banner. So I figured why not do this right now and show you guys the process. We have a nice logo thing in our studio that A&T made, so I'm gonna use that as a stencil outline and mess it up and make it DIY. So let's just get right into it. So this right here is actually a 3D, so I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's 3D. I'm not sure exactly how he made it. I think of some kind of material board. He cut it out, made the logo like that, and I'm about to use this as a stencil. This is the large piece of canvas right here. I'm about to iron it, make it nice, lay it over this logo thing, sketch it out, and then I got some cheap paint, cheap brushes, and I'm just gonna have some fun and paint it. Alright, let's move this board out of the way. Start ironing this canvas, then stencil it out, and then we're gonna make a banner. Here we go. I just want to get this nice and flat. So I sketched out the outline of the border so I could figure out where to line it up. Now I'm just taping the canvas material down, and then I'm going to start tracing the letters, and then from there we're going to start see what's happening. Alright guys, we're back at it again, day 2, about to finish it up, maybe finish it today, maybe tomorrow, but right now I'm going to paint the white and finish up the black. I needed a smaller brush and I got hungry, I just had to take a break. Well, we're back at it today, let's get it. This is the progress we're at right now. Got to do a little bit more of the black on the inside, and then I'm going to paint this actually white as well, and then you'll see what we're going to do. I'm going to hopefully sand it down, make it look rough, and then add some coffee staining on it when it's finished, but we're almost there. Just got to finish a little bit of the back. See, I needed a smaller brush again to these little detail areas, so that's what's going on right now. guys, so this is where we're at right now. Got the white, the black. Pretty much everything is done on the painting part. About to do some touch-ups. Gonna do some touch-ups here and there. But this is where we're at right now. Then you guys can see finished product after. When we get there, gonna do some coffee staining on it. Make it look a little rough, just for fun. I mean, it looks good the way it is. I don't know. I might keep it the way it is. We'll see. Think on it. Think on it for tonight and see what happens. Day 3, back at the studio. I'm gonna do a little finishing of the details, add some stain to it, and finish it off. I'll do the riveting another time because I don't have the tool right now for that. So I'm just gonna finish it off. This could have happened in one day, but you know, sometimes you need to take a little break here and there. There's a lot of things going on over at the WHADAFUNK headquarters, so we gotta keep things going. I'll show you guys what's going on right here. Right now, I'm gonna finish up little details, little tiny details, rough it up. I'll show you guys that process. Alright, so I was supposed to bring sandpaper, but I forgot sandpaper. I'm about to rough this up a little bit so we could add some stain on it. But so I got this skateboard, so I'm about to use this skateboard to rough it up. We're just experimenting right now, guys. Everyone should experiment, have fun, create stuff. This is what it looks like now. See, we got a little rough around the edges. We're just trying to make it look a little like beat up, weathered. Now I'm gonna add some coffee to it and stain it, hopefully. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, so we're just experimenting, see how it ends up, and let's make some coffee right now. Turn on the coffee machine. There we go. Let's make some strong coffee. Shout out to Two Robbers. Shout out to Two Robbers holding us down. If you went to the Funkin' Barbecue, you know that. Pop-Tarts. Alright, so let's make some coffee, and then I'm going to paint some stain on here. Let's see how it works. Who knows? There we go, that's what it looks like right now. Looks pretty dope, I like it actually. So this is the finished product. I'm not exactly sure if I like it or not. I feel like I should have not stained it now. But it's okay. You live and you learn. This is just experimenting. I only made this to experiment. I wanted to try something new. And I just wanted to have an extra banner to use. So I'll show you guys a little close-up. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think I should have kept it black and white nice? Or should I have kept it all messed up and dirty and stained? I don't know. I feel like I should have left it black and white. I feel like I should have just let it be stained by itself over time. But, you know, you gotta try new things, new techniques. I'll show you guys a close-up. This is it right here, finished product, all stained. I'm gonna put some rivets up here so we have somewhere to hang it. Might use this as a backdrop for something, or just throw it up at events, because why not? Check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up, like it. Appreciate all your guys' support for real. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.